Hey dude, okay, so a couple things. I'd like to get her photo to the left here. So that's there. And then for some reason this contact is scooching down where this whole thing should be touching this part before it does that. So here, oh yeah, that's weird. Okay, so it's okay. It's fine. Sorry. Up top here, I need her phone number, and then Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Zillow, and Realtor.com icons, and then have it to where it's linked as much as possible. You know, but if you don't have it, then I'll get it from her. And then this looks good. This all looks good. And then here, put in her her Facebook, which I'll send you this link to do. Okay, so and then for the review, I'm going to send you a review to put in here. And then here, can these things be moved? Like have this, moved like here, and then have the text? Because normally, like when I refresh this button normally comes out to here and overlaps this. So how can we get this moved over? And then that's good. That's good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's good. That should be it for this site, unless she comes up with other things. So thanks.